What's up, guys? It's Water Park Day.
Who's the bad man? Who can draw?
We're at Volcano Bay. It's all gonna be GoPro footage from here on out, most likely today. We'll see how much I actually get to film. We got the Dougie, we got the John, we got the Thaddeus, we got the Tay. Waiting for everyone. Got the bands. Let's do it. All right, we're all gonna go under at the same time. Count us down, Jeff. We're all gonna jump under at the same time. Told you. Please, again. Go, watch out! A little snap cut today. We are currently leaving this wonderful place here in Orlando. This was our view for the last couple days. Just making sure you got everything and we're packing up. The room's all done. It should be okay.
What the heck? Look at that car. Holy shit! What the hell? You see that? What? He's going right through the grass. He just drove on the grass.
Oh, if the camera wasn't focused, you would have had it too. No. It's filming, you have audio of it.
No.
Oh, I got the Mickey ears though.
Point verification home. We're in! Whoa!
How the weight dog?
No one grabbed that one. Wow. Which one's mine? This is TV in here. Where am I? Am I in here or am I in the other?
You're in this.
Where's ours, bro?
Made it to the house.
Hashtag the panda showed up. Yeah.
I love my home. That's our family for you.
Another Walmart run. This is Walmart run number 3. What we're here for, I guess, is getting a random food. Oh, I heard Uncle Dave. Guess we gotta get stuff. Time to end the night. This is for Brandon because he said yesterday I didn't end the vlog. So we're saying good night. Jamal says good night.
Toodles!
Deuces. See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.